because
Yes.
we buy these expensive scanners to be able to get general access. And for the most part, we get pretty good access with good quality scanners.
Yeah.
And subscriptions that we pay for
Yes. Yeah.
on a yearly basis for
Yeah.
licensing and fees and everything else. And then they still want more.
Yep. Yep. And because we're a podcast as well with other shop owners, the other reality is, okay, sometimes I pay for the subscription, I go and access the information, and they'll hide it in different modules, and I got to jump through 1,000 things just to get to it, or the time cost. Like, I don't know about you, when I was at my shop, I didn't necessarily put a timer on for all the time I spent in diagnostic, right? And I certainly, honestly, did not charge for every single minute of it. So you have the lost
Because you'd be
productivity.
a total crook.
Yeah,
Right?
even though
Right?
it's
Like,
time.
it's the truth.
So when we say access to information, not only are we talking about the fact that it is there or not there, we're also talking about, is it actually access? Like, if you hide it behind 1,000 things and you make me jump through 1,000 hoops, it's not really access, right?
Right.
So that's something else that we also keep in mind when we talk to policymakers about, what access really means for us. Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
So the consumers have a choice, but they really don't have a choice ultimately right now.
I don't think so.
Certain manufacturers.
Yep.
And they're learning quickly because some manufacturers are picking up, the brands, and people are buying the vehicles, and they try to come to an independent shop after 3-4 years once they're out of warranty, and it's like, yeah, sorry, we can't do it.
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean?